I have approached nearly every major manufacturer of finger joint tooling to make a carbide knife in this replaceable knife system. Now, I get why they don't want to do it. High-speed steel knife with coating, and they've got to grind it every day. Mate, look, they go through knives. It's good for them from a financial point of view. They make knives. So, look, I get why they don't want to invest in the technology in carbide. But that doesn't fix the wood machining process. And that's what Accurate, as a company, we're trying to improve that. And then, after many years of approaching and get no, we're not going to make it. We're not going to make a carbide knife. We're not going to make a carbide knife. Finally, I found a company who said, mate, yes, let's take up the challenge. Let's see what we can do and how we can do that. Well, it took sort of 6 to 8 months of development of design, drawings, etc., in order to reach the point where we could make a prototype. The prototypes were made. From that, refined further to make the second generation in that system to get it even more accurate. But the knife itself with the carbide insert turned out, even from the first set of trials, turned out to deliver an incredible result for us.